Hi guys and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna present you one of the cheapest, good quality, reliable and efficient motovlog setups. Stay until the end of the video and I promise you it will worth it.
Let me start by presenting you the camera. The camera is a Xiaomi EE 2K camera. This camera has a firmware update in 2015 and it films 2K videos. I'm not gonna insist too much on the full specifications of the camera. I'm gonna insist though on those specifications which I find very useful and very important for motovlogging. This camera films 2K videos at 30 frames per second and Full HD 1080p videos at 60 frames per second, which I found more than enough for YouTube videos. It also have an aspherical f2.8 wide-angle lens with a 155-degree angle of view. It has time-lapse from 0.5 to 60 seconds, burst shot, very important loop recording every 5 minutes. Also, it has a capability to support a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. For the moment, I'm using a 64 gigabyte card, which you can put it here, and you can film with one card around from 6 to 8 hours. Also, the micro HDMI port from here, it supports live video output while recording to a micro SD card. So this feature is also very useful for live videos. Also, the photo resolution, it's 16 megapixels. And now the most important feature of this camera, external microphone. You probably wonder how I did it, because this camera doesn't come with an external microphone or a microphone adapter. There were some videos on YouTube. I will leave you a link in the description how to start installing this external microphone, but I will show you how I did it, because I did it in a way that no one else did it before, and I want to show you, to share it with you, to give you some of my experience regarding this camera and the microphone, external microphone adapter. The first thing I did, I opened the camera. It's very easy. You can open it from here with a razor or with a very thick screwdriver. And as you see in this picture, the microphone is attached to the motherboard with only two wires, plus and minus, and that's it. And there is a small microphone there. First, I was thinking, oh man, let's take out this microphone and use it to record it. I took out that microphone, which is inside. But this microphone, I noticed that this microphone has a certain impedance, and this impedance is for recording the outdoor sound, and it was totally a disaster taking out the original mic from the camera and use it inside the helmet. So what I actually did, I was buying this good quality microphone, external microphone. You will find it costs around $15 up to, I know, $100. It's up to you, but you can buy even the cheapest, or not the cheapest, but at least $15, $20, let's say a maximum of $20 external microphone with a jack. Doesn't matter, because anyway you will use only its head. I will show you. What you will actually use from the microphone, it's only its head, which will be connected with two wires, plus and minus, like the wires inside the camera. So you actually need this high quality external microphone head. This you will connect it by a wire. It's a special microphone wire, this black one. Let me show you. So this cable, it says on it performance microphone cable 4.2100. I'm not a specialist. Maybe you can ask for it. I don't think it's too expensive. Actually, it was quite cheap, but you will find it on an electronic shop for sure, or a specialized shop which sells this kind of wires, and you just connect the two wires from the cable. You connect it with the head of the performance and good external microphone, and the wire which will go out from here. Of course, I did a small hole here, and the wire just get up from here. It's not such a big deal.
What I will recommend you is to use this high performance microphone cable. Don't be afraid that you can broke something or camera will be useless. Don't worry about it. The camera it's very solid and you can easily make this operation. If you don't want to do it or you cannot do it, just go to a guy who fix mobile phones, and for sure he is able to change a microphone and to connect two wires on a motherboard, two wires on a normal microphone.
This is how the external microphone looks like. Next, let me show you how you can forget about the battery life by installing this external battery to the camera, and the camera is able to fill during charging. This is very important, and you can charge the camera during the filming, during your motovlogs and so on, and you don't have to worry. If you have at the motorcycle, if you have a 12-volt charger, this is also very helpful because you can charge the camera while driving, while riding, and with a 128 gigabyte of the SD card, you can imagine you for one day you can travel 24 hours. You can travel 20 hours continuously and not worry about the battery, because this battery it has 10,000 milliampere per hour. There are bigger batteries, 20,000 and so on, and you can imagine with this 10,000 I ride about 8 hours without any problem. This is tested. I tested it on my motovlogs, on my trips, and you can travel a lot with this setup so far: the camera, the microphone, external battery. And let's get back to how we put it on the helmet. Here there are so many mounting possibilities. I prefer to use it here on the right side. You can easily use it with this one. You can use it here or here in front, doesn't matter. It's up to your choice. These accessories you will find it easily on any website, on eBay, on Amazon, AliExpress. They're very cheap and they match this camera. Regarding the waterproof case, I was traveling without it because I had this external adapter, this external microphone adapter, which didn't allow me to use the waterproof case. But still, I encounter heavy rain, light rain, and the camera had no problems. So the camera actually is so cheap that you can buy another one and put it in the case and film when it's raining and still using the microphone with this camera. So I don't find a problem. If you have a lot of money and you want to spend the $500 on a GoPro, or another $50 on the GoPro microphone adapter, so think about it, because this camera cost around $50, $60. Now you can find it hard, but maybe now it costs $70 because it's very difficult to find it. And but you can still find some promotions on the website. I will leave you some links in the description. But think about it, this camera cost around let's say $60. All these accessories, they are not more than $10, $20. Come on, let's put $20. This camera offers you quite a lot. You spend, let's say you spend on the external microphone adapter, you spend another, come on, $10, $15. I paid $12 for this external microphone, and I did it myself, the adapter. Under $100 you have such a great motovlog setup. Let's not forget about the external battery, which you can use, or the 12-volt charger on your motorcycle if you have it. And now let me show you another functional thing which you can use at this motovlog setup.
Now let me show you how easy this setup is. First we have the cable which is connected to the external battery to charge the camera during video, and here is the microphone. The microphone, we will introduce it underneath the helmet like this. It's very easy, and we can position it under the helmet, left, right, or in the middle, and that's it. And now let me show you. We have this pocket here where we will put the battery, and that's it. We will hide the cables underneath the jacket. This is just a simple jacket, not a motorcycle jacket. And basically that's it. You can start motovlogging. Another thing which I like a lot about this camera, it's recording, and you can easily stop it from here. In the moment you start the camera beeps a different sound. When you turn it off, it beeps a couple of times, and you know that the camera is turned off. So it's very easy to use it and to stop it and to record the special moments from your trip and to skip the boring moments of your trip. I've also found this very useful chest mount. It already had this mount here, and you can attach the camera, and here you can put the external battery to charge the camera, and the cable just goes and charges the camera. It's very easy, very useful, and it offers you a different angle of filming your motovlog.
So guys, what we have here, it's an under $100 motovlog setup. A very efficient one, one which you can count on, very reliable. I didn't have any issue with the setup so far. Nothing broken, no errors, nothing. Everything was working just perfect. What you have to take care is about this microphone. When you buy it, you have to buy a microphone which is specific for speaking, not for recording outside noises or sounds. So and that's it. You have a very good motovlog setup, a base when you can start with less than $100. To make an idea about how this setup works together, especially the audio and the microphone, I will leave you a link in the description where you can check it, one of my videos. You have also linked to it in the right side of the screen. You can check it and see how everything works together, and check the quality of the sound. In that specific video, I use also the microphone to capture the sound of the exhaust, and the microphone was placed outside, and it was really a good quality. I was actually surprised to see that good quality of the audio. And please let me know in the comment section if there are some topics which I didn't cover in this video. Please let me know, and I will get back to answer it.
I will leave you useful informations and links in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and see you next time.